Hi, Elon. My name is Selena, and I'm a college senior at Cal Poly SLO. But 6 years ago, I was part of the founding team at the Hack Club at Los Altos High in California. So, Elon, you have a ton of power and influence in the world. How does this drive your decisions to advocate for something publicly? How much of it is doing good for the sake of doing good?
Well, I mean, mostly what I'm trying to do is like, you know, build things that are useful and make the future better. And, like I said, I'm like, although it's sometimes difficult at times, I'm quite really pro-human, and I think there's a lot to love about humanity. And so, like, okay, we need to do some things that are really important, like transition to sustainable energy transport and sustainable energy production. These are, it's like tautological. It's we must, if we don't transition to it, we will run out of, even without environmental concerns, we would run out of energy, and then civilization would collapse. So, in fact, I should note that my interest in electric vehicles and solar predates the environmental concerns, because I just was like, okay, if we do not have sustainable energy and electric cars, then civilization will collapse independent of any environmental concerns. So this, and I'm not actually, I'm not somebody who would say like, oh, we must immediately stop the oil and gas industry, because this would cause civilization to collapse also. But we do need to transition over time to a sustainable energy system, and we want to probably have that occur faster rather than slower. And that's like why we need electric cars and solar and batteries and that kind of thing. And then we want to be on a path to become a multi-planet species and a spacefaring civilization, and go out there and try to understand the nature of the universe and what's going on. And it's just basically, I think, for both for preservation of civilization, as well as the adventure of it, and just the excitement of the future. And if you think about, like, when they went to the moon, it was now a long time ago, almost half a century. Even though a small number of people went, we actually all went with them vicariously, and we all experienced that, and it was a great moment for humanity. So, like, we should have more of that stuff. That's the kind of thing that makes life worth living. So, and then there are also, all these like social issues, but I'm trying to focus my energy on, like, what is the thing that is definitely good? And then, people will argue about this, that, or the other thing, but we definitely need sustainable energy. And I think we definitely want to go out there and explore the universe.